everyone. I once again welcome you to your English classes. Students, today in this video, I will discuss the answers of grammar book. That is, I will discuss all the textual answers of lesson 1 and lesson 2. Lesson 1 sentences, lesson 2 nouns. And along with that, as I discuss the answers, you will write all the answers in your English grammar book. Now students, some of you are having some doubts regarding the copies. Now for English, you have to make 2 copies, 4-line copies. In one copy, you will do the course work. That is the hard words, word meaning, scene passage, question answers, noun form, verb form, make sentences, whatever will be given. And in the other copy, you will be doing grammar work as well as the composition work. That is letter writing or paragraph writing, whatever the teacher will give you. And some of the exercises from the grammar book.
So students, today let us do the exercises of lesson 1 and 2 in your grammar book, the Grammarite. Now, lesson 1 sentences. We have already discussed the answers. Page number 1, exercise A, you have to do in your grammar book. Now in this page also, all the exercises B and C, you have to do it in your English grammar book. Page number 3, this exercise A, you will be doing it in your book only. In page number 4, exercise B, you will do in the book. We have already discussed this. In this page also, that is page number 5, the match the following. It should be number matching. Then let's perfect it. I discussed these answers already and you will do all these exercises in the book. Now page number 7 also in your English grammar book. Now students, page number 8, comprehension, you have to mark the answers in your book. I gave it as your homework. Now let me discuss the answer. Number A, tick the correct answer. Ria looked up at the sky and spotted a flock of birds. The correct answer, number B. Number 2, the birds flew in various formation and made beautiful patterns against the blue sky. Number 3, by the time Ria came out of the house, the flock of birds had flown away. Written. Now number B. Depending on the story, you have to number them. Ria ran towards the door. Number 4. She saw birds flying and forming patterns in the sky. Number 2. Ria was looking out of the window of her room. Number 1. She took her mother's permission to go out. Number 3. Outside, the sunshine was warm and a cool breeze touched her face. Number 5. So, it is 4, 2, 1, 3, 5. Now the last one. You are supposed to underline the subject and circle the predicate. In sentence number 1, 2 sentences are there. So, we have to underline 2 subjects. The sunshine was warm The subject is sunshine. The subject is the sunshine. And predicate was warm. And in the second part, a cool breeze touched Ria's face. A cool breeze is subject. Touched Ria's face is predicate. Sentence number 3. The birds flew in various formations making beautiful patterns. The subject, the birds, flew in various formations making beautiful patterns, predicate. Number 3. Ria ran towards the door. Ria's subject ran towards the door, predicate. Hope you all have completed this. Students, page number 9, listen to nouns. Explanation is already over. Now the exercises. Let's crack it. A. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters for the proper nouns. Students, this exercise you are supposed to do in your English grammar copy. You will not write the question, you will only write the answer. So you have to use capital letter for the proper nouns. Page number 10, exercise B, C, D. I have already discussed. You will be doing exercise B, C, D in your English grammar book. I am repeating B, C, D in your English grammar book. Page number 11, exercise F, already done. Now G, that is gender. Nouns can be divided according to gender. Feminine for females, masculine for males, neuter for non-living things, and common for nouns that may be masculine or feminine. Now exercise G, I have written the gender beside the nouns. Jewels, neuter gender. Thief, common gender. Policewoman, feminine gender. Salesman, masculine gender. Cousin, common gender. Uncle, masculine gender. Aunt, feminine gender. House, neuter gender. Boy, masculine gender. Empress, feminine gender. Palace, neuter gender. Courtyards, common gender. Bride, feminine gender. Guests, common gender. Groom, masculine gender. Dress, neuter gender. Barn, neuter gender. Horse, masculine gender. Mare, feminine gender. Rat, common gender. Page 12, exercise H. Change the gender of each noun. Emperor, empress. Mayor, horse. Bride, bridegroom. Grandmother, grandfather. Nephew, niece. Bull, cow. Now the next exercise. Circle the nouns of the neuter gender and underline the nouns of the common gender. Neuter gender, non-living things. Common gender, which can be male or female. So doctor, common gender. Stethoscope, neuter gender. Students, common gender. Books, neuter gender. Bags, neuter gender. Garden, neuter gender. Teacher, common gender. Principal, common gender. Magician, common gender. Hat, neuter gender. Child, common gender. Flower, neuter gender. Note down it, students. Page 13, J. You have to write the plural. Number 1 done. Number 2, child, children. bus, buses, bench, benches, volcano, volcanoes. Here we can write ES also and S also. Both the answers will be correct. Toy, toys. Lady, ladies. Elf, elves. VES. Now the next topic which we studied was countable and uncountable noun. Nouns that we can count are called countable nouns. Nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Now in this exercise L, we have to circle the countable nouns. So number 2, cabbage is countable noun. We can count like 4 cabbages, 5 cabbages. Then number 5, fingers, countable noun. Number 6, knife, countable noun. Number 7, biscuit, countable noun. Number 8, egg, countable noun. Now page number 14, we have to underline the incorrect words and write the correct word in the blank. So in the first sentence, the incorrect word is childhoods and the correct answer will be childhood. So we have to remove that S. Sentence number 2, the incorrect word is aircrafts. It will be aircraft. No S will be there. In the third sentence, the incorrect word is advisors. It will be only advise. That is ADVICE. Sentence number 4, salmons. It is incorrect. It will be only SALMON. Salmon. Sentence number 5, the incorrect word is lux. The S should not be there. So the correct word is luck. LUCK. Now the next one, that is exercise A. Let's perfect it. Fill in the blanks with the types of nouns mentioned in the bracket. The first one, Usha swam across the river to save Patel. So we have to use common noun. I have used a river. Number 2, the food inspector wants to check the cleanliness of our kitchen. Abstract noun. Number 3, my brother likes to play badminton with his friend Rajiv. Proper noun. Number 4, people like him because of his honesty. Abstract noun. Number 5, she lives in a village near San Francisco. Common noun. Again, page 14, exercise B. Rewrite this paragraph changing the gender of the nouns. Underline the nouns of common gender and circle the nouns of neuter gender. This exercise is your homework. You will do it at your home in the book itself. Now students, if you are not able to write this in this page only, you can do this paragraph in page number 15 also. The space is there. Now what you have to do in this paragraph is that first you have to change the gender. Like uncle, you will change uncle and write aunt. So it will be my aunt is an artist. And then you have to underline the common gender like artist. So again he lives on a farm. You will change he as she. She lives in a farm. And you will circle farm because it's a neuter gender. So in this way you have to complete the paragraph. If you find here that it doesn't have adequate space, you can do it in page number 15. Now exercise C. Complete the sentences using the collective nouns given in the box. Number 1. the young shepherd went to the fields with his flock of sheep. So number 1, flock. Number 2, I saw a pride of lions in the sanctuary. Number 2, the answer pride. Number 3, the children stepped on a colony of ants in the garden. Number 3, colony. Number 4, the state government will look after the problem of water supply. Government. Number 5, the soccer team will leave for the World Cup tomorrow. Team. Number 6, our family will stay back for the celebrations. Family. Number 7, I distributed the pack of cards among the players. Pack. Number 8, the teacher read through the list of names. List. Number 9, the crowd voted in favor of the candidate. Crowd. Number 10, the police caught the gang of thieves last night. Gang. Number 11, the cluster of stars was hidden by the clouds. Cluster. Number 12, the crew on our flight was very helpful. Crew. Now, number D. Underline the correct noun to complete each sentence. D. Number 1. Number D. Underline the correct noun to complete each sentence. This is your homework. You will do it in your English grammar book. I have done few questions for your help. Like number 1, there are 5 studios. So it is STUDIOS. Number 2, they are eating their food. FOOD, food. So note down the answers till number 7. And the rest you will be writing yourself. Hope students this lesson is clear to you all.